The overall goal of this procedure is to create an ex vivo arteriovenous closed circuit to assess leukocyte interactions with endothelial adhesion molecules under physiologic flow conditions. This is accomplished by first coating a thin glass chamber with the endothelial adhesion molecule of interest. In the second step, polyethylene and silicone tubing are connected to the chamber and then surgically to the mouse. Next, blood from the carotid artery is allowed to flow through the tubing, and the subsequent interactions of the native leukocytes with the coated glass chamber are recorded in real time. Ultimately, the effects of various treatments on the displacement and rolling velocity of the leukocytes as they interact with the immobilized adhesion molecules can be calculated over time.
The main advantage of this technique over existing technique like a flow cytometry analysis is that with this technique, leukocyte interaction with endothelial adhesion molecules is assessed under physiological flow conditions.
The day before the experiment, connect 1 centimeter of PE10 polyethylene tubing to a 6 centimeter piece of silicone tubing, followed by 5 centimeters of polyethylene tubing to prepare the tubing setup for the jugular side of the animal. For the carotid side, connect the tubing as just demonstrated with the addition of a T-tube within the 6 centimeter silicone tubing about 1.5 centimeters away from the 1 centimeter polyethylene tubing. Next, connect one end of a 10 centimeter piece